Hey, what up, y'all? This is Adam Lewis Genius, aka Alpha Drone. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Well, as you can see, I'm on a mission of catching these fast birds at 7 o'clock in the morning on the beach. And I think I figured out a better way of doing it. Instead of doing it with the gimbal, I'm gonna do it with my hands. I'm gonna try to catch it all with my hands. I just gotta be there. So right now it's 6:52. So I have like at least another 8 minutes to get there. I'm believing they probably. Good morning, how you doing? Yeah, thank you, man. I'm guessing they're probably sleeping at a factory or something, and the factory opens at a certain time, so they fly away. And the one place they fly to is that same direction. I think that's what's going on. Otherwise, they just know the time like us. They set their clocks back like us. All right, so it's it's 6:50. So good. I have 10 minutes. All right, so cool. I'll be there. I'll see you there. I'll see you there. Oh, and the further away I get from the starting point, from their starting point, the more chance I have to catch them. You know, because I don't want to get too far because they eventually end up turning. They make this left turn. It's weird. So yeah, sorry for all the crap in my face. All right, it's kind of cold out here. All right. Okay, y'all, we're here, and I hope that I'm on time. I forgot to tell you guys that they come twice, probably 3 times, I'm not sure. They come at 7 o'clock the first time. The second time they come at 7:19 because I was on the phone with my friend, speaking to him, while they was passing right in my face at 7:19. I looked right at the time. So I'm gonna try to catch them twice. All right, so for me to do that, I have to flip the camera over, take it off of selfie mode, and put on slow-mo and catch these bad boys. I'm gonna catch them. I want to catch them so bad. I'm gonna get them though. Okay, wish me luck, y'all. Okay, it's gonna be kind of hard to do it like this. I'm starting to record a video. I have 2 camera devices doing the job. One is on real time, the other one on slow-mo. All I gotta do is say the magic word. There they go. Record video. Record video. There they go. There they are. I got him. I got him. I got him. Did y'all see that? It's amazing. Every time you catch them, it's amazing. Hold on. 1 second. It's exactly 6:59. They were on time. They are not messing around.